Hi guys, right, today we have a tenant that has moved out of one of the flats. So what we're going to do today is just go up and have a look. So I'm just going to take you on the process of getting the property ready to let out again to a new tenant. Let's go. Right guys, so we're all clean. Just a few little bits to remove, like the tenants, obviously they've left little bits of furniture, so a few bits of furniture to move, and then a quick paint just in here, get these scuff marks off the wall. Right then guys, so I've quickly filled in all of the little holes and bits and pieces on the wall, all the little scuff marks. So I've just quickly painted over that. I've got all the scuff marks off the bottom of the walls. Just let this dry and got rid of the chest of drawers that's there. This I'm going to break up tomorrow along with that table there, and that'll be going to the skip. And then we just want to tape up this fridge and get the fridge removed, I think by a company that I know. We'll get that just removed because it's full of food. It's not the nicest. And then I think we should be done, ready to let back out again on this new tenancy. Task today is to undo this, take it to the tip yard and scrap this as well. Right guys, so everything is moved. All I need to do is just take this, and this fridge needs removing. Everything else, as you can see, it's all been moved. All the paint's dried, so all the scuffs on the walls are all gone. Clean and tidy. Left the curtain poles up just in case the occupants want them, next to a quite busy road. All the scuff marks are gone, especially the marks that were on that bit there, all gone, and that's just a bit of dust. So guys, there's my packs made up. So I've got my how to rent guide from the government, and I have my own home user guide which contains my reporting procedures for maintenance and emergencies. It also defines each of those things, and I use a red, amber, green system. Again, I've got videos on that on the channel on what I do for those, so that the tenant can report any issues, maintenance or emergencies correctly. And that is all there for you guys, and if you do this, it will make your life so much more easier. It will stop those 5 o'clock in the morning phone calls for something that could wait until the next day, and vice versa. So the estate agent will also give a copy of these electronically alongside a rent agreement, so all of that will be given to them along on a sort of like a digital sign as well, to notify that they and acknowledge that they've seen each of these 3 things, and digitally sign that and lock that away, so I've got that for future reference. But I always like to put a copy in the flats as well, just for my own peace of mind, so it's just doubling up, so that I know that the tenants definitely have these. Right guys, so that is all let out now to a happy tenant. They've got the keys, they've moved in, had the deposit, that is all protected under a government protection scheme. And at the same time, obviously they've had the tenancy agreement, they've had all the how-to guide from myself, they've had the how-to rent guide from the government, everything that is necessary. An inventory has been done by the estate agent before they moved in, so that we've got a copy and we've got a recording of the condition of the property before it's been let out, which is very important, guys, that you need to do. This is something that I fell foul of before, but that is all done now. and tenants are all happy and in. And yes, guys, I am back. I've had some things that I've had to go through and help out with in terms of my family, but I'm here now. And also the next video coming is a spoiler alert, it's about a property deal that fell through at the last minute, but I recorded everything, the whole buying process all the way up until the end, and that is coming in next week's video. And to be honest with you guys, that and everything that's happened, all the stuff with the renters reform bill, all the things that people are fearing are going to come out in the budget by Rachel Reeves, loads of other stuff, all the other things that have been put onto landlords, it's kind of got a bit on top of me. And with this deal falling through, I've just been so depressed. But on the other hand, this is what this channel is all about. I'm here to share my journey from getting started with the first few properties and see how that journey goes. And it's not always going to go the way that we all want. It's not always going to go well. And that is part of my channel, is to show when sad things happen, deals fall through, we lose money, things like that, so that all the mistakes, so that you guys don't have to make those same mistakes as well when we are first starting out. So we're all in it together. So be sure to stay tuned to the channel and next week's video coming up, because I will start to document everything. If anything, we definitely all need to be diversifying our portfolios as well. So not only just investing in property, just investing in a mixture of things, and obviously putting some aside. And we really need to be investing in our retirement, and also trying to invest in stocks and shares. So I'll be sharing some more of the other things, what I'm doing to sort of diversify and make my money work for me. Because but by the way things are going, the government, I don't think we can even make money or have anything to make us comfortable by using property and property alone. And I have behind the scenes for architectural projects as well. Lots of, like I say, I love doing extensions for homeowners, investors, all of the rumours surrounding the budget, what is or what isn't going to be imposed on us as smaller landlords, because let's face it, corporations are pretty much going to be clear. And like I've said in other videos, big corporate landlords are coming to take over the renters market, coming to take over the property market, which is bad news for renters. But it's just going to make things 10 times worse. The news of what they're going to be doing with national insurance in regards to property, just everything is just designed against the smaller landlord at the minute. But there's an agenda there, and we just need to find new ways to adapt and survive through this and not sell up and not lose out. Everything's just made me think, should I keep going or should I just leave it or not? And I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep fighting. Again, if you guys want any more information on that, on my architectural services that I offer, the link is in the description box below. So stay tuned. That's all coming on the channel. Thank you for all your support, and see you the next one, guys. Thanks. Bye.